Hi guys, welcome back to Business Map Kitchen. Today I'll be making simple plantain porridge for breakfast. So here I have two plantains I've already peeled and washed them. So now I'm going to cut and I'm going to blend these plantains. Alright. So I've already cut my plantains, so now I'm going to blend. Added to my plantain, I'm going to add some water, a little cinnamon, and a little flour for thickening. Alright, and then I'm going to blend together until it is smooth. So guys, to my blender, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of flour just for thickening. Some cinnamon. And then I'll be grating some nutmeg. Now I'll be adding a cup of water, or just enough water to cover it. So now I'm going to blend this until it is smooth. Alright, so now my plantain is blended and it's really smooth, if you can see. So now I have some water over here. Already boiling. Just some water with a little salt in it. So now I'll be adding my plantain and I'm going to be mixing so that the plantain, while I'm pouring, it isn't lumpy. So I'm pouring my plantain that was blended with water, and I'm whisking it to ensure that it doesn't get lumpy. I'm going to leave this to boil for another 2 minutes and then I stir gradually or whisk gradually to ensure that no lump is in there. So I'll get back to you as soon as it begins to boil again. So now I'm checking back on the porridge. As you can see, it's beginning to get thick because I've added a little flour to it. So I'm whisking it so that there is no lump in the porridge. As you can see, that it is creamy and nice. So I'm going to let it boil for another 2 minutes, but I'm going to lower the flame. Okay guys, so my porridge is ready. So I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavor to it. I'm going to be adding some evaporated milk and a few teaspoons of sugar just for sweetening, brown sugar. So you can add the sugar and taste to see if you need more, or you can sweeten to your taste. porridge to see if so it can take a little more sweetener, but as I say, you can sweeten the porridge according to your taste, if you like it sweet or if you like it fresh. So mine is a little bit fresh, so I'm going to be adding another 2 teaspoons of sugar, and then that's it, and it's time for serving. I'm going to be enjoying my plantain porridge now. Hope you enjoy this video.